If your Telegram channel cannot be displayed, or you're seeing that frustrating sensitive content error, don't worry. There's a simple fix, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. This problem usually happens because Telegram has content filtering turned on, and in many cases, you can remove that restriction in just a few minutes using Telegram Web. So if you've been trying to open a channel and it just won't load, this video is for you. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open a web browser on your phone or on your PC, and go to the official Telegram Web website. Make sure you're using the official Telegram site because you want to log in safely and avoid any fake pages. Once the page loads, sign into your Telegram account. After you're logged in, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main menu. From there, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Privacy and Security and open that section. This is where Telegram keeps a lot of your account and content controls, including the option that affects filtered content section. This is the important part. In that section, you should see a box that says Disable Filtering. Go ahead and check that box. By enabling this option, you're telling Telegram to stop filtering certain types of content that may have been blocked from displaying before. Once you've checked the box, don't skip the final step. Fully close Telegram and then restart it so the changes can sync properly across your account and devices. If you're on mobile, make sure you completely close the app from recent apps, then open it again. If you're on desktop, exit Telegram fully and relaunch it. After that, go back and try opening the channel again. In many cases, the channel will now display normally. If it still doesn't work right away, give it a moment and check again, because sometimes settings take a little time to update across Telegram servers. Also, make sure you're logged into the same Telegram account on the device where you're trying to view the channel. And if this helped solve the problem, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more simple fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.